Mark my words, he'll be back.
Mark my words, there's a reason Perez is gunning for me.
But mark my words, it's the last time I shall ever do so. Is that clear?
You mark my words, I'm gonna rip that guy off.
Mark my words. There'll never be a more screwed up time in Washington.
I shall taste those waters Master gives. Mark my words.
Mark my words. Soon you'll be seeing things my way.
I will make you so sorry for what you've done to my family. Mark my words. That's fucked up.
Mark my words, Mr. Resendez. If it takes a village to raise a child, it takes a village to abuse one.
Mark my words. The kid who finds the first ticket will be fat, fat, fat.
Mark my words, Mittens. One day, someone's gonna stand up to you. Someone's gonna teach you a lesson.
Mark my words, boy, and mark them well. I have survived your predecessors, and I will survive you.
And greed, you mark my words, will not only save Teldar paper, but that other malfunctioning corporation called the USA.
You mark my words, Skylar. Toe the line, or you will wind up just like Hank.
Mark my words, you will get what's coming to you in ways you can't expect, but very much deserve. Because one thing I believe in is an eye for an eye.